Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video. Yes, I never done an unboxing video before, but today is an exception because I have the Beautylish Lucky Bag of 2018. That looks like that. I'm very impatient person. This required a lot of strength from me not to be able to rip the paper and see what's in it, because I'm dying to see what's in it. And let's get into the unboxing. Now, what is a lucky bag? It says lucky bag inspired by the Japanese New Year tradition of Fukubukuro. Probably I butchered that. We're offering mystery bags full of our most coveted products. So basically you pay $75 US plus 15 shipping, and it's total $90 US, and you get a value of around 200, give and take. So let's see what's in my lucky bag of 2018 and if I got lucky. As I'm editing this video, I'm gonna leave the prices of the products and at the end, of course, the total, and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts if I would purchase myself these products or not. So let's get in. Now the paper looks like that. Let's go a little bit back, right? This product packed by Claudia. Thank you, Claudia. And it weighs 0.98 grams. Oh, the products. Heaps of paper. Now. Oh my God, I know what that is. It's one of the Wizard Theory palettes, and I don't have that. And that is in Cashmere 17K. Ooh. Oh. I love how they open these. So they look like that, beautiful. I really love Wizard palettes, and I don't have this one. I don't have any of the Theory palettes, and I was thinking to pick up one. Probably would pick up the lavender, but I really love these colors too. I love that they have like a raw matte and a raw shimmers. It makes sense to me. And the colors, they look beautiful. So I would definitely buy this one. Very exciting. Second, Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Ooh, I have two of these. Let's see. What shade is that? Molten Midnight. I have this shade, but nonetheless, it's a beautiful shade. Come out. Doesn't want to come off. It looks like that. Very sparkly. If you haven't tried those, I would definitely advise you to do so. And this is a beautiful shade. Third, what is this? Kevin Aquan, the Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting. Is that like a highlighter? What shade is it? And it looks like that. Wow. Very fancy. That looks to me like a liquid highlighter product. What shade is this? In Celestial. Oh no, Candlelight thingy here. Let's try. Oh, that looks pretty. I didn't even knew that this product existed. I knew the powder in Candlelight. Very happy with this one. I don't have it. I love highlight, of course. Who doesn't? I don't know if I would purchase this one. I didn't know that existed, but I purchased before the powder in Candlelight of that, and I love it. But the liquid looks very beautiful too. Oh, the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer, and I wanted to get that. What basically that is, it's like a silicone primer, and I just wanted to try this because I heard many good things. Actually, I had that on my wish list to buy in some stage, so very happy. Ooh. Oh, Wayne Goss Brush 16. I love Wayne Goss brushes. Guys, if you watch my videos regularly and my tutorials, you know that all I use, basically, the majority of my brushes are from Wayne Goss, so I love it. Number 16, what that is? That looks like a huge eyeshadow brush. Actually, you can use that as a highlight too. Beautiful. Wayne Goss brushes, excellent quality. I love that they include a bit of skincare, a bit of makeup, a palette, a brush. So far I'm really happy. I don't have that specific brush, so I'm really happy to have it. Indie CoQ10 toner. Guys, this is one of my favorite toners. I had the small sizes a couple times and I wanted to get that. I really wanted to get that. So I don't have it at the moment. I'm really happy. But basically that is from the brand Indie, which is Green Beauty, organic brand, and I really love the brightening morning cleanser. It's one of my favorite cleansers, and of course the toner. Oh my god. And looks like that. Oh, the scent of this. Oh my god. It's this, guys, if you haven't tried it, I would definitely advise you to try it. It's an excellent toner. I'm very happy. Very happy with that. And of course, I would purchase it myself. So that's it. Just to recap, we have 6 products. The Wizard Theory palette in Cashmere. We've got the Stila Glitter and Glow in Molten Midnight. We got the Kevyn Aucoin, the Celestial Skin Liquid Highlight in Candlelight. We've got the Ordinary, the High Adherence Silicone Primer, the Wayne Goss Brush in 16, and the Indie CoQ10 Toner. And they're all full-size products. That's the thing that I really like. Not quite sure how much exactly these products cost, but already I feel like it's probably kind of like almost double the value. We'll put it on the screen while when I'm editing, so you know. But so far, guys, my thoughts on the Beautylish Lucky Bag of 2018. I think I love it. I liked all the products. I only had one product, the Stila, the Glitter and Glow, but I love that, so I don't really mind. All in all, I think I did get lucky. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Did you pick the lucky bag? And if you did, what you got? And until next time, mwah, bye!